And welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm on top of the world right now. It's so hot here in Montego Bay, but it's so windy at the same time, and I'm just having a blast. I'm on top of the roof looking out on the sea, looking at the views. So welcome back to the best people I've ever met. Thank you guys for all the love, for all the likes, for all the comments. I love it. So we're just here. Last night we went to Scotchy's. I was too tired to vlog, and we didn't do anything much but eat pork and chicken and stuff. As you all know, Scotchy's has like really consistent food. I love it there. And I'm just here. My aunts went to the watering hole down there. I wish I could take you guys, but I was too tired. And I have to drive all the way back to Kingston in maybe the next couple minutes. So that's what's about to happen right now for me. I'm definitely maybe like I've moved from chocolate to a dark chocolate now after laying out in the sun yesterday. So I'm pretty dark, but who cares, man? Who cares? So anyway, I'm just looking off here, and it's really peaceful. I wish I could like have like land or something off here. Look at this big piece of land, yo. Look at that. Jeez, I wish I could have that and have a nice view like this, looking off at the sea. You can see the beautiful sea, and the nicest thing about it, you can see where it gets deep and like shallow and deep and shallow. So it's nice, different colors of blue. The watering hole is somewhere just down there. So I used to have the opportunity to walk all the way down in the mornings if I felt like it and get a swim. That's Caribbean life. That's what it's like being a Caribbean boy. But anyway, I'm about to tune out. I'm done talking. I'm done showing you this beautiful view. And I'm just gonna get prepared to leave and head back into the hot and miserable Kingston City. But we still love it, right? Later. I'm wearing my little cousin slippers. Pay attention to the words that I said. I said little. Look at these feet. Jeez. This is the worst part about climbing to the top of anything. Like the fall back down is so freaking long. You know what? I think I legitimately think I'm just gonna stay here because I'm a bit afraid to go back down this ladder. Look at that. It looks so ominous, but I have to do it because I want food. So yeah, that's the only reason I'm going back down. So this is me climbing down this damn ladder. I'll vlog in any situation. At the moment, I feel like I might need a new brief. Oh God, I definitely might need a new brief because I think I just about. Anyway, I'm just over exaggerating, guys. It's not that high. It's just the worst part is coming down, backwards. And it goes to show the same thing in life. Like whenever you get to any point in time, like don't be hype about life, or like, yo, my God, I'm rich, I'm gonna have this and that, because the fall back down is like really freaking high, and like there are persons out there who are they're just waiting for you to fall. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you get anywhere in life, just humble yourself. That's what I hope to be if I ever get anywhere in life, to try to be as humble as possible. Like don't get me wrong, like I always think that yo, you have to enjoy your life. Something I go hype up. When I say hype, I mean like do things that you like. So if for example I like cars, and if I could afford a new set of tires that easily, I'd do burnout and just enjoy myself, because it's not really to show off on people, but it's for enjoyment. But like when you hype on others and like say, oh, I can afford this and I can do that, no, that's where it gets really tough for you. And if you fall, you're about to bust your ass.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm gonna tip you.
You tip me?
Shake, dance. Yo.
Me don't know man, me don't know what go on man, because one of them time yeah.
Look, now it's time, bring grandma's camera back.
No can't come sit down with her 1 week.
Yeah, man.
Gigi not in the car yet, is he?
When one come,
I want a picture of me, grandma.
Yeah, so we're just getting ready to leave now. I'm about to jump in the van. People are gonna be taking pictures and stuff. Saving their memories for me and doing videos. I'm not a picture person because I'm not the most photogenic, so yeah. So pretty much we left out at like 11:30, and then we just pretty much got a ticket to drive in 74 in what is that? In an 80-kilometer-mile marker. And the van's right there. And the speed, it starts from 50 somewhere off there. So pretty much that's the story of my life generally. Like for some reason I have to get a ticket. I don't know, like I knew on my trip to Montego Bay that I would get a ticket for some strange reason. You're not on the camera, I'm not putting you on the camera. Yeah, I knew I was gonna get a ticket for some strange reason, and there were other persons going faster than me. And still, they managed not to get a ticket. But because I'm in that big old minivan and I can't escape it, so I'm getting a ticket. But it's one of those things though, it's kind of funny, but it's like I already knew. I knew I was gonna get a ticket, yo, it kind of sucks though. Alright guys, so we're pretty much back home. We've been back home for a minute now. It took us maybe like 2 hours to get here. In a very big van that's not so quick, and also being stopped by the police, so it didn't take us so long. But now I'm putting them because I will knock you out, man. I tell you that straight up. You see me? Yeah, so we're back home. Mercedes leaves in a few hours. Just a few hours. She's so upset about that because she really enjoyed her trip. And I'm here. Gonna be getting ready for work in a few, well, yeah, maybe an hour or so. And everyone else is just chilling pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Right? You're leaving in like what, 2 hours?
You know, it's many more hours than that. I can get a lot done in the next.
And then when I message you, and I'm like, oh hey Mercedes, how's the snow? How's the snow? Are you still? Then she'd be doing her Lady of the Sun pose out in the snow.
No.
Yeah, right?
Crying.
You'd be crying, right?
Crying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm getting my laundry done at the same time too. And then I'm gonna start some work, so. I don't even know, I guess this is where I'm gonna end this vlog because there's not much more that I have to do today. Not really much more, so if I come back then great, but otherwise though, guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. So here guys, of course I have my crazy traffic ticket. This is probably like it's my second ticket ever. Second tickets. And I'm not so happy about them, but like that's my second one. Like the worst part about getting a speeding ticket is like they stop you from getting to where you wanted to get to quickly, so you still end up speeding. And yo, I'm definitely not the one for speeding. I don't believe in it, and I don't think that anyone should in any way or form speed at all. But it was kind of messed up. You know what I want to talk about was like maybe for whole 15 minutes in the ride I was like, yo, it was just egging me. You know, just thinking about it, not having to pay for it, but just thinking about getting a speeding ticket is just so annoying. But like, you know, a lot of times during a day you might have something that's just really annoying and it's just on top of your brain. But like sometimes you have to find something else like more positive to think about. And what I did, I just started listening to music and just started having fun. And telling myself that, yo, I just had an awesome trip. I got to saw my grandmother. And many persons don't have the opportunity to still see their grandparents still. So that's what I had to do. But the fact still remains, they're looking at me. And I hate you. But yeah, that's pretty much me here. And yeah, I'm really happy. That trip to Montego Bay was really quick. It was really fast, just 2 hours and 2 hours back again. And then of course, if you don't know, if you haven't been back here for a while, it's about 4,700 in total to go to and fro. So it's pretty good. And Nina's over there about to subscribe to my channel, which I really appreciate. Yeah, more subscribers.